Hello students, in previous video we have started worksheet number 4 and in that we have word problems based on the addition and subtraction of lengths, and we have already done the two parts. So today we will try to solve the remaining parts. So here we are on the C part, that is Mrs. Renu has a ribbon that is 16 meter and 75 centimeter long. That means the total length of the ribbon that Mrs. Renu have is 16 meter and 75 centimeter. She cuts it into two pieces. One piece is 8 meter 90 centimeter. So what do you have to find? Find the length of the other piece. सो मिसेज रेनू के पास एक रिबन है जिसकी लेंथ है 16 मीटर एंड 75 सेंटीमीटर, एंड मिसेज रेनू ने इस रिबन को टू पीसेस में कट किया. उन टू पीसेस में से वन पीस की लेंथ आपको गिवन है. यू हैव टू फाइंड द लेंथ ऑफ द अदर पीस. सो ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस क्वेश्चन. सपोज दिस इज a ribbon. This is the total length of a ribbon, and it is cut from here. यहाँ से इसको कट कर दिया है, and you know the length of this piece of ribbon. आपको इस piece of ribbon इस piece की length पता है, and you have to find out the length of this ribbon. So how can you find out? आपको total length पता है, टोटल पता है, उसमें से वन पार्ट पता है लेंथ. यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट द लेंथ ऑफ द रिमेनिंग पार्ट, बचे हुए पार्ट की. सो व्हाट विल यू डू व्हेन यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट द रिमेनिंग थिंग? यू हैव टू सब्ट्रैक्ट. बची हुई चीज को निकालने के लिए हम सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं. टोटल पता है, इसमें से कुछ पार्ट आपको पता है कि कितना उसको कट किया हुआ है. अब आपको बचे हुए जो पार्ट है उसकी लेंथ निकालनी है. सो यू हैव टू सब्ट्रैक्ट. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी नो दैट वी ऑलवेज राइट द गिवन थिंग फर्स्ट. जो भी चीज गिवन होती है उसे हम सबसे पहले लिखते हैं. सो टोटल लेंथ ऑफ रिबन इज गिवन. टोटल लेंथ of ribbon is given. So what is the total length? That is 16 meter 75 centimeter. 16 meter and 75 centimeter. What else is given? Length of one piece is given. So the length of one piece. So length of one piece is given. That is 8 meter and 90 centimeter. Now we will write what we have to find. So we have to find out the length of other piece. Length of other piece. So we have to find out the length of the remaining part of the ribbon. So we have to subtract. So we will subtract it here only. You can see here 75 centimeter is smaller than 90 centimeter. So what we will do? We will take borrow. Borrow from the 16 meter. So this is in meter. So when we take 1 meter, what will left over here is 15 meter. And 1 meter जब centimeters में आएगा, so it will get converted into 100 centimeter. And 100 centimeter 75 से जब add होगा तो it will become 175 centimeter. That we have already learned how to subtract. Now subtract it. 5 minus 0 is 5. And 7 is smaller than 9, so we will borrow. It becomes 17 only. So 17 minus 9 is 8. 85 centimeter. And now meters. 15 minus 8 is 7 meters. So this is the length of the other piece. So we'll write the answer. Therefore, the length of other piece of ribbon is 7 meter and 85 centimeter. Now the next question, D part. Here the height of Ram and Shyam is given. The height of Ram and Shyam are 1 meter 75 centimeter and 1 meter 28 centimeter. So the height of Ram and Shyam is given respectively. Respectively means Ram की height 1 meter 75 centimeter and Shyam की 1 meter 28 centimeter. Now question is, who is taller? कौन taller है? And by how much? So there are two questions. Who is taller? कौन किसकी height ज़्यादा है इनमें से? So we have to compare the height of Ram and Shyam, and then by how much, and then we have to find out the difference. कितना difference है उनकी height में? So you know, जब हम दो चीज़ों के बीच का difference निकालते हैं, उनको compare करके difference निकालते हैं, so what we will do? We have already learned that to find the difference we have to subtract. जब हमें difference निकालना है किसी भी दो चीज़ का तो हमें subtract करना होता है. So first of all we will write what is given. So height of Ram is given. Height of Ram is given. And height of Shyam is also given. So what is the height of Ram? That is 1 meter and 75 centimeter. And height of Shyam is 1 meter and 28 centimeter. Now compare the heights of Ram and Shyam. Who is taller? To compare, I've already told you that you have to see the greater unit, meter. Meter is greater than centimeter. But here, both are same, 1 meter and 1 meter. So we can't compare from it. तो मीटर से हम कंपेयर नहीं कर सकते बिकॉज दोनों सेम है. नाउ वी हैव टू सी द स्मॉलर यूनिट. मैं आपको पहले भी बता चुका हूँ कि हाउ टू कंपेयर द गिवन लेंथ्स. पहले हम बिगर यूनिट देखते हैं, अगर वो उनसे हमको कंपेयर हो जाता है तो देयर इज नो नीड टू सी द स्मॉलर यूनिट. बट इफ द बिगर यूनिट इज सेम, दोनों की सेम लेंथ है बिगर यूनिट में, देन वी हैव टू सी द स्मॉलर यूनिट. So here 75 centimeter is more than 28 centimeter. So 1 meter 75 centimeter is more than 1 meter and 28 centimeter. So therefore the height of Ram is more than height of Shyam. Now the other question, how much more? So for that we have to find the difference. So bigger length हमारी already ऊपर है तो हम यहीं पर subtract कर लेते हैं. So subtract it. So you know 75 centimeter is greater than 28 centimeter, so there is no need to borrow. We will subtract it directly. So 5 is smaller, so we will borrow. It will become 15, and what will left over here is 6. So 15 minus 8 is 7, and 6 minus 2 is 4 centimeter, and 1 minus 1 is 0. So 0 meter is nothing. So answer is 47 centimeter. Now we will write the answer. Who is taller? Ram is taller, and by how much? 47 centimeters. So we will write both the answers in one sentence. So we will write Ram is how much taller? 0 meter 47 centimeter. So 0 meter is nothing. हम 0 meter लिखने की ज़रूरत हमको नहीं है, हम सिर्फ 47 centimeter ही लिखेंगे because 0 meter means nothing. So Ram is 47 centimeter taller than Shyam. So here we have answered both the questions. Who is taller? Ram is taller. और कितना है वो भी हमने बता दिया. सो राम इज 47 सेंटीमीटर टॉलर देन श्याम. तो राम ज़्यादा है, कितना है, 47 सेंटीमीटर टॉलर है. सो in next video we will discuss the remaining part and the value based question of this chapter. Then our chapter will get finished. Thank you.